Well, welcome in this afternoon. We're going to have hot dogs for supper, and hot dogs call for hot dog chili, right? So, welcome into my kitchen. I'm so glad you all decided to join me. I hope you find this place welcoming. Um, Leave me a big thumbs up on my videos. It really helps other people see them. They don't get just hidden away somewhere. Like, share, subscribe, share them everywhere you can. Subscribe to my channel. That really helps a lot too. The more subscribers someone has, the more likely their videos are to be seen. Like, share, and comment. The more comments I have, that helps other people see them as well. So like, share, subscribe, comment, and ring a bell over there for notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And with all that out of the way, let's make some hot dog chili. First, we got about a pound of hamburger meat here. And my hamburger chopper thingy's in the dishwasher, so I'm just going to use the spatula. Just like my mama used to use, just an old spatula. I've got most of the ingredients I need out here. I need to get out the ketchup. Let me grab it out of the refrigerator. I mean, you can't have good hot dogs without ketchup. A lot of y'all would say that ingredient is mustard. I do not care for mustard. I do not buy mustard. I do not own mustard. So, we use ketchup. A lot of ketchup around here. Alright, we got this to cooking. I'm going to add some minced onions, and these are just dried minced onions. I buy these in bulk and put them in this jar. I'm just going to put about that many. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. And I've got about a pound of meat here. Y'all, this chili is good to fix like this. And then put it in your crock pot and put your hot dogs on top of it and let them cook that way. Or just cook your hot dogs in the crock pot. If y'all have never cooked a hot dog in a crock pot, you have missed out. I know hot dogs are quick and easy to cook just about any way you cook them. But my mama used to put them in the crock pot and they would just kind of caramelize on the outside, and they were absolutely delicious. Y'all, my brother asked me to make this chili recipe because he was having hot dogs one night, and he said, I need a good chili recipe. And I said, okay, I've got one. He said, well, you need to make it so other people can see it. So this is for him. But he took this recipe of mine and he switched it up a little bit, and his version is better than my version, okay? Brown your hamburger meat and your onions. You're going to put in about a half a can or 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Now I'll hang on to that other half a can of tomato sauce, and I will put that in the refrigerator for later, okay? Now turn this down now. Let that cook. Then I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons. Well, no, let's go with 1. 1 tablespoon, and I use this French's chili oil. I like it better than any other. I've tried others. I've tried store brands, but this is the one that I like. If you've got a favorite chili seasoning that you like, use that. Whatever you have that you like to use. Okay? So hamburger, onions, tomato sauce, and our chili seasoning. Now then, we're going to add some ketchup. And I'm going to add about a cup of ketchup. Now we're going to let this cook down good. I should have drained all this grease off my meat. I didn't think I had that much grease in this, but I do have. But that's okay. We'll drain it off later. All right, y'all, watch this. I pulled this up. See all that grease that's drained down in there? I'll take that paper towel right like that. Soak every bit of that grease up out there. Every bit of grease up out of that skillet. All right. Now, I'm going to taste it. Shh. I'm going to taste this and see how good it is. It is really, really good, y'all. But I'm going to show y'all what he did. He used, I don't know what kind of beer. I don't remember. He told me. I'm using a pot holder so I can screw this off. Okay. It wasn't hot, y'all. It was just easier to twist. I'm using Blue Moon because that's the kind of beer I like to drink. Do not put a beer, a wine, anything in your food that you would not drink. Because if you're not going to drink it, you're not going to like the flavor that it gives your food. That only makes sense. So I'm going to pour this in there. Oh, this is a 12-ounce beer, I believe. Oh, and it smells so good. And I'm going to let it cook down. And I may add a little bit more. But you just want it to be like this. And you all, this will be so good. It will be so good, y'all. I'll pour just a little bit more in there, and then I'm just going to let it cook. And whatever you don't use in there, guess what? You get to drink. Right? But of course, I've put almost my whole thing, so I just have a little bit to drink. And I'll drink it here in a little bit, but I'm going to turn that up and let it cook down. You all, if you've never cooked with beer, you can make their beer cheese soup is wonderful. It's one of my favorites. Or just beer cheese with pretzels. It is good. It's just like a sauce. And you make it with beer. When you add water to your food, it adds no flavor. So if you can add something that has a flavor to it that would enhance your food, use it instead of water. I do it all the time. If I'm making taco meat, it says to add water, I use tomato sauce or diced tomatoes or tomato juice. Something that would go with that taco meat. And it just kicks it up a little bit extra. And it makes things a lot more flavorful. But y'all, this is real soupy to go on a hot dog right now. But we're going to cook it down. I'm going to taste it again. Oh my word. That beer just added so much to this, you all. It's unbelievable how much it added. Just the flavor of that beer. Use whatever your favorite beer is. Whatever your favorite is. This is my favorite. I'm not a huge beer drinker, but I do like this. So I'm just going to let this sit here and simmer and cook down till we get our hot dogs done, okay? Okay, can y'all see our chili here? It is just about perfect. It's got very little liquid left on it. And I mean to tell you, it's just out of this world. I can't wait to get my grilled hot dog after a while and put some of this chili on it. That is so good, you all. Just delicious. I literally Could just eat chili for supper. Just eat this pot of chili. It is so good. That's going to be all for this one. Remember, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and leave me some comments. Let me know if you try this recipe. If you do, let me know how it turns out. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.